Okay, I want to record this real quick. Currently, we're in Wisconsin. We are witnessing a blizzard at this very moment. It probably started today. What's today? I don't know what today is, but I'm gonna show you guys first person. Playing Call of Duty right now, and it's reckless out here. Look at this. I live next to a factory, and winds are probably at 50 miles per hour. I have to shut the door right now to hold it closed. Look at that. Look at that. That's 10 feet. Just alone. I lifted up. The parking lot is covered. Look over there. And this is 2 more days. How are we gonna do it? Seriously. How? Look at this. This is Wisconsin firsthand. This is like a hurricane. Shout out to Brian Goddard, TMJ4. Let's go.